Do something about it, Rose. Okay, now then, ladies and gentlemen, the flood effect is about to take place.
Here we go, Mason!
Mason's over by the waterfall, keeping track of how everything goes.
Yeah, here we go!
It just got released. So, now we just watch. Here, Rose, my iPod. Now that's the log. Here's another exceptional way. Now, look at this. It's all dry right now. Well, mostly dry. Now then, that's monkey vine, and here it comes. You see that? The orange stuff is where the flood is coming. It just touched my feet and stuff.
Dude, this is Mace Cam.
Now then, we're going to start following over here. Alright. Hey guys, keep in mind, here's a whole bunch of just rotten old sand. Guys, I think it's starting to rain. Alright, see? Now, this is all getting taken over by all the water. Massive flood effect. Kind of looks like Hurricane Katrina, but we try not to think about that. This entire beach that I'm seeing on right now, it's about to be all overflowed. Now, see this one log? That log's going to go underneath the water soon. Rose, turn around. Rose, turn around, start going that way. So, look at that, beautiful, isn't it? Now then, everything is starting to get overflowed as we speak. Pea trap, there's all the pea bubbles. Now then, I want to go this way. Here's the waterfall, it's regular old state. There's a whole bunch of clay mines down there underneath all this soil. Can't quite sure if you can see this. Now watch how fast it starts to pick up. Look at that beauty. Looky right there. The main rush just fell down.
Yeah, there it is. Mortar.
The main rush just fell down. That's Mason right there. Now then, as we continue along, see the log I was originally stepping on is gone. Now then, I'm taking a giant risk right now because I have no idea what's at the bottom of this. And I've seen a snake, toad, maybe a frog once or twice. And if I drop, I pretty much lose my iPod, which would not be too fun. Ow! I just slipped a little. Mud got on my... Nope. No mud, a little on my shirt, but I'm okay. There's Rose that's just made a national anthem for Monkey Vine, which is not really that good. It's kind of pitchy if you ask me. There's everything. Remember that one bridge? Yeah, well now it's overflowed. And the spike needs to be always put back up. No matter what happens to it, it always needs to be put back up as a reminder of our great completion in under 3 days. See? Dirty, clean. Dirty, clean. There's the log. Now then, ladies and gentlemen, on the count of 3, I'm going to turn off. You're all going to turn off each video recording. Does everybody know how to do this? 3, 2, 1.